Hey guys, it's Arslan here. Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to share with you an amazing tool which is very early. It does not have a huge hype around it yet, because I believe what I've seen so far in my research, every tool that I've seen is related to NFT, where you can mint, it's a mint board as well, and you can snipe and you can see rarity, and it's very cheap comparing to all the other tools that I've seen. Like this one, 4.5 ETH floor, this one almost 1 ETH floor. This is amazing tool, guys. I really like this one. What I've seen so far, the feature of this has been made a little while ago, and they are amazing. That's why they're worth the high amount. And this one, they all work great. Okay, I'm not so sure about the feature of this one, and this one is you need to pay fees every month, 0.08 ETH, and when it comes to lifetime, it's like a lot more expensive. Lifetime is much higher price, and this is what I'm trying to bring you. Elfie whale. So the whale together is the project, and this is 2 I own. I just bought it. I really want to get more of these because I know the price is so good right now. I believe the price is very fair. Okay, they are only at like $300 right now. When you join the Discord group, the link is going to be in description, but when you join Discord group, you won't see any chat or anything like that. You need to verify get the NFT. The link is going to be in description for Discord and their Twitter or OpenSea. There will be enough links for you to go around, and then you need to come at collab land, click let's go, connect your wallet to verify, then you will see the rest of the chat, and there's a lot of information they're sharing. You don't need to grind yourself alone. You get information of what's revealing out there, and you can be there. And the thing is, I really like this one. The community and the board itself is worth it, so worth it in my opinion. And I'll share with you the board before you go anywhere. I'm running weekly giveaways on my Twitter. The links are in description. Join the Discord as well, because I share early information there. If you saw in Discord, I said I'm buying, and I was buying at 0.1 and 0.09, and the price jumped at 0.12, and now it's 0.115, and suddenly there was, I think someone posted on Twitter, the price jumped, and I believe this is very worth its value. So the price jump I was sharing here, and I just shared a link of Rubber Duck, which they are very selective. They only open for 10 minutes, so I got in, and there's another one I'm getting whitelist for, another tool which is very good, and it's a very fair price, mint price as well. There's art, and you get that. So there will be next video on that. So yeah, for that you have to subscribe to the channel to get more videos, and turn on the notification. It's not gonna harm you, it's gonna bring you more value. So this is the project. I will leave the link for this down in the description. When you join the Discord and verify the key, I believe they are working on it. They are asking for suggestion, they are improving it. What I've read so far, they've been improving it, and you get a gas fee thing here. You can move anywhere you want, and you can see the gas fees there. That's one thing. If you're NFT degen, you really need this. And you have Contract Ninja, where you can connect your wallet, and you can set the gas fee right here. You can set the gas fee so you can compete with others, and you can see the rarity. There was 3 lenders NFT which just go mint had revealed, and it was amazing. I was seeing how easy it is to see everything. Okay, I went to activity. You can see the floor. If someone lists a rare one close to the floor, you can snipe it. Right now, this is amazing deal. Rank under 1000 for 1.69. The floor is 1.44, and I'm pretty sure this can be flipped with a good profit. I'm not going to do that right here, but I think this can be flipped for a good profit. So things like that. Right now there's too much activity happening. Every few seconds there is a new listing, but it was even more a few hours ago when the reveal happened. I saw a very good, this is not sorry, my bad. So there was I think this is the one, and now you have another one. So there are colors, so you can see by color. So you see, but all I'm saying is this helps a lot. You can be quick, very quick to buy. You can just click here, it will bypass you going in the inside and then do that, and you can even see your so it's telling you that these traits are rare in that NFT. I'm just struggling to speak because I've been doing a lot of stuff. I'm a little bit tired, but yeah, get the point here. You can see all the information without going in, select property, without wasting time. It's quick. You buy, like, it's a few seconds different. You don't need to select gas fee, you just click and that's it, because it's done by the bot already, because you already set the gas fees. Is you going to be paying higher than others? But this is where the trick comes. Not everyone knows this, not everyone got these tools, and these type of tools are expensive. They are worth 1 ETH, but you're getting for much less price. In my opinion, it is well worth it, and they're improving every day. I'm not saying this is the perfect tool yet, they are working on it, but so far for the money you pay for it is well worth it. And you can get in Discord for more information, further information on this, and we can do I'll be there as well. You can be in our chat, we can discuss, do things. There's a tons of opportunity. Every day is a mint, there's a hard mint, and people don't know what the rarity is. Not everyone does. So you can snipe what they list. If you think you can flip it, I've seen so many members flipping it. I just got it today. I was searching from last few days to get a good tool. And the other tool I will be sharing in my next video, and there will be white disk giveaway that I got from my community. They are solving another solution as well, which is tool as well. It's amazing. I really want to see utility in NFTs. Tools like this keeps the value, because I'm not looking to sell my whales, because they're giving me value. If one good flip, they will recover the cost. That's all what matters, and this is where the true utility comes. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This is quick video just mentioning this board that I really like. Not this one, sorry, my bad. This one, I really like this one, and if you want to get it, I'm telling you, just go get one. There's nothing much to lose. Oh, this is good one. I think it's so loud. No, it's not. I really like this one, rank 1000. I'll probably just get that. The thing is, I already got two. I don't want to just get too many of these, and the price here is the floor has been twice. It came 3 times here. I think it dipped because the tools launch, so it's still working on the tool. This needs to be a little bit balanced more, because I'm planning to hold my second one as well. For now, I might do a giveaway. Just subscribe to the channel. I might do a giveaway. I might pick up the third one and do giveaway on that. This is what I got. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in next video. And I'll bring more tools to you guys, like, because tools can make much difference in your trading. Have a good day. Bye.